Calvin cycle.
The light reaction takes place in the thylakoid membrane, which is in the leaf of the plant.
The two main enzymes in the light reaction are the water-splitting enzyme and NADP reductase. The water-splitting enzyme splits up H2O into hydrogen, oxygen, and electrons. The electrons from the water-splitting enzyme then goes to the chain. At the end, we have NADP reductase, which adds the hydrogen to NADP to create NADPH.
The reactants of the light reaction are water, NADP, and ADP. NADP and ADP come from the Calvin cycle, and water comes through the xylem of the plant.
The light reaction are 6 NADPH, which go to the Calvin cycle, 9 ATP, and oxygen.
One of the main reactions occurring is within the photosystems. Photons from the sun excite the electrons within the photosystems and bring the electrons to a higher orbital, which increases their energy, so they're more excited. Another reaction within the light reaction are the catalytic processes that occur in the water-splitting enzyme and with NADP reductase. A third type of reaction that occurs within the light reaction are redox reactions, and they happen between photosystem 2 and photosystem 1 as the electrons are oxidized or reduced.
In the year 1771, John Ingenhouse was the first to hypothesize the role of light in photosynthesis. In 1796, that is when he discovered the reactants of CO2 and the products of oxygen. In the 1950s, Robert Emerson discovered that each different photosystem absorbs different wavelengths. So P680 absorbs the longer wavelengths and P70 absorbs shorter wavelengths. The light reaction occurs in photoautotroph organisms, which means they take the light to make their own food. These organisms include plants, algae, and bacteria. Alright, so you're probably wondering why a plant has green color in it. And it's because the photosystem 2 and photosystem 1 absorb the red and blue wavelengths and they reflect the green wavelength.
The photosystems absorb photons, and within each photosystem, pigment molecules get excited, so energy moves from pigment molecule to pigment molecule. So as energy keeps moving from pigment molecule to pigment molecule, it eventually reaches the chlorophyll A molecules, which the chlorophyll A molecules allow the electrons to move to the primary electron carrier, which allows for the electrons to be reduced, so energy is released.
Between photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, the energy lost by the electrons is used to drive the concentration gradient from low to high and bring hydrogens down. After photosystem 1, the energy goes to free-floating hydrogens, that goes to NADP, that makes NADPH with the help of NADP reductase.
Yeah. Another reaction within the
Oh my god. Allison!
Sorry.